Hey guys, it's the Dragon Queen here. I am kind of sick right now. So I won't be having school, not until Monday, I don't think. Anyways, I just wanted to say that, oh god, I got a new fidget spinner. New fidget spinner. Hold on, let me get it going. One moment. So yeah, I got a new one. Doesn't that look cool? Whoa, it's so cool. Okay, so yeah, I got a new one because my old one broke. My old one literally, like, it had a crack like down to here and it was gonna break. The bearings were all like bad and stuff. So I got a new one. My dad got it for me. Thanks. Anyways, so yeah, I've been playing some Minecraft right now. Minecraft playsets. Watching a movie too. Anyways, nah. Oh god. Oh, whoa, no. Oh no. Camera fell. I'm gonna start this without hurting my camera. Okay, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see it in the light. Whoa, so cool. Anyways, so, like, look at it. Look at it in all its glory. Look at it. Look at it in all its glory. Hold on. So cool. Oh my god, that looks awesome. It's like invisible. Whoa, on camera it's like invisible. Whoa, it's going reverse. Anyways, so yeah, that's all I really wanted to show. Okay, so comment down below what you want to see next. See me play with that thing or that thing, like a roleplay. Okay, bye-bye.